Hello and welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to cover the Excel formula, SumIf. I have typed in some different car types and numbers. You can pause the video and type the same if you want to follow along the video. Now let's get into it. I guess you already know the sum formula, but if you don't, it is just equal sum apprentice and then mark area to sum. Now the SumIf is a bit more tricky, but easy when learned. I will just write SumIf here. And Mazda beside. So what you do is write equal sum, if, and apprentice, as you see in the formula. We need a range, which in this case is the car type. Then make a semicolon. Pick a criteria for sum. Pick the cell below Mazda. Make a semicolon again. The last thing we need is the sum range, which is the numbers of the different cars mark the area. So now we have the formula. And actually, the Mazda cell should of course be car type. Now put in the car type you want to sum. In this case, we want to sum Mazda, and we get 692 Mazdas from the list. This was my short guide on how to use SumIf formula in Excel. Please like and subscribe for more guides like this.